Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view department-wise summary details in an inquiry in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the customer service module. Here, we have to select the inquiry sheet menu under the customer service module. On the all inquiry list page, we have to select the date range. Then we have to click the submit button. Now we can view the particular date range inquiry details. Here we have to select the department-wise summary menu. On the department-wise summary page, we can view the department-wise total number of clients, total number of inquiry received, total number of quotation generated, and total number of booking received details. If you want to download the details, just click the options menu. Then we have to click the download button. This is how to view department-wise summary details in an inquiry in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.